Welcome. If you want to turn on always on display in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, at the first you have to unlock your phone and move to the settings. Next you have to find lock screen and then simply move to the always on display, and as you can see we have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And we are actually use the tap to show for the 10 seconds. So right now when we tap here, our always on display going to appear on the screen. But if you want to get permanently on the screen, you can go for the show always or just show as a schedule. I'll go to show as always, and as you can see here we got other things that we can customize. So if you have free time you can just check how we can change the clock style or how it looks at the other screen orientation. But actually if you want to turn on your always on display on the Galaxy S21 Plus, that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!